Good evening guys. So today we will start NCERT class 11 chapter 1 the living world part 8. So let's see what it is telling. In order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established procedures to assign a scientific name to each known organism. What happens? There are many plants and animals in the world and there should be some particular names for all plants and animals to get organized or to get known to them. So scientists have make it possible and they have facilitated it to name to those plants and animals. So this is telling in the first statement that in order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established procedures to assign a scientific name to each known organism. So in order to facilitate the study means to make it possible to study about plants and animals, number of scientists have established procedures. Procedures means many processes. To assign. Assign means to give a scientific name to each known organism. So what the scientists have done, they had made it possible and established some procedure to give some name or some scientific name to each known organism. So let's see the next statement, what it is telling. This is acceptable to biologists all over the world. So what happens guys, the scientific name which the scientists used to give to all these plants and animals is accepted by biologists all over the world. Student, let's first come to know what do you mean by biologist. Biologist means a scientist who studies biology, and these biologists accept the scientific name of plants and animals given by these scientists. So let's see the next statement, what it is telling. For plants, scientific names are based on agreement, principles and criteria which are provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature ICBN. So what happens guys, the process by which the scientists use to name the plants and animals are based on the agreement of some principles and criteria, and these principles and criteria are provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and from this International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, that is ICBN, plants are being named. In the same manner, there are some principles and criteria which are provided in International Codes of Zoological Nomenclature, that is ICZN, and through this International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, animals are being named. So let's see the next statement, what it is telling. The scientific name ensures that each organism has only one name. So what happens guys, the scientists who give the name of these plants and animals, they first ensure that the name they are giving to these plants and animals, there should be only one name for each plant and animals. It means for one particular plant there should be one name, and for one particular animal there should be one name. It means that for one kind of plant there should be one name, but for two kinds of plants, two different kinds of plant, there should not be same one name, there should be another name, two different name. For two different kinds of plant there should be two different kinds of name, but not same name for two different kinds of plant. So let's see the next statement, what it is telling. Okay, first of all let me clear out this also, that for it this is similar in the case of animal also, that for one kind of animal there should be one name, but for two different kinds of animal there should not be one name or same name, there should be another name, two different kinds of name for two different kinds of animal. There should not be same name for two different kinds of animals, so there should be two different kinds of name for two different kinds of animals. Okay, so let's see the next statement, what it is telling. Description of any organism should enable the people to arrive at the same name. So what it is telling, that at any part of the world there should be one name for one organism and not the other. So let's see the next statement, what it is telling. They also ensure that such a name has not been used for any other known organism. So what it is telling, that they also ensure that such a name has not been used for any other known organism. So I have told you before also that one name, there should be one name for one kind of plant, and for another kind of plant there should be another name. There should not be same name for two different kinds of plants. So this is the thing they are telling, that scientific names ensure that each organism has only one name. So there should not be same name for another organism as if it is already named for one organism. So this is the end of the today's topic, children. Have a good day and a good luck. Bye.